Hello, good morning to all. In this video, I will tell you about the angle properties of the circle. There are different properties of the circles. In class 9, you have read about the chord properties of the circle. Chord properties, but in this class 10, only the angle properties of the circle. And these are very easy also. I will tell you the combined properties like the angle properties of the circle, cyclic quadrilateral properties, and alternate segment theorem, means you can say the tangent properties of the circle. The first one, the angle properties. I am making here the three circles, and in these three circles you can see the different properties. As you know, in the circle only the two things are there. One is radius and other is center. If center and radius you know, you can draw the circle. But in this chapter no need to draw the circle. Only the rough figure, but when you do the question, draw the circle always without measurement. Draw the one circle, big figure, whether it is given in the question or not. Means क्वेश्चन में ये फिगर दिया गया है, तब भी तुमको कॉपी पे बनाना है एग्जामिनेशन की कॉपी पे. इन this is the center O. Do you know about the chord? सबको पता है what is the chord? Chord means the 2 points on the circle which join by a line. AB is a chord. But what you will say about this AB, this part? This is called arc, ARC. How to write the arc? Arc you can write by this way. Arc AB, here arc, this symbol is also known as the arc AB. And if you write only the AB, this AB, this is called. This is called chord. From this chord or arc, if we draw an angle at any point on the circumference, that is the point C, on the same side of the chord. Same side of the chord means there are two sides. One is the above and other is the below. And you can say also the segment. This is the major segment and this is the minor segment. तो अगर हम किसी एक साइड में बनाते हैं तभी ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी. तो the angle subtended by the chord AB at this point C, and one more angle you subtend at the different point on the same side and same side also. जैसे ये हमने बनाया. Then this is the point B. In this case, this theta and this angle will be equal. At C and at D, the angles will be equal. Means angle subtended by the chord AB at the different points on the circle, on the circumference, always equal on the same side of the circle. कोई भी कितने भी एंगल बन जाए, मतलब जैसे ये है, अगर हम यहाँ पे भी बना दें तो this is also theta. So if it is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. In short, when you write the reason, सर्कल के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो reason लिखना पड़ेगा. When you write the reason, then you write the angle subtended by the arc या angle subtended by the chord, but chord should be mentioned. मतलब chord का नाम, जैसे AB है, कभी BC होगा, कभी PQ होगा, तो that chord you have to mention in the short. Bracket में लिखा है ना reason, तो reason. So this is the first angle property. Second, this is the center. This is the chord A, B, and the angle subtended by this chord at any point on the circumference, and by the same chord also the angle subtended at the center. same chord. At the angle subtended at the center. If this angle is theta, then this angle will be 2 theta. Means just double the angle subtended at the circumference of the circle. Means if it is 30 degree, so this will be the 60 degree. Or if this angle is 45 degree, then this angle is 22.5 degree. Just half. तो इसमें बोला जाता है कि in the short he will write the angle subtended at the center. बस कितना sufficient है. अगर हम center की property लगा रहे हैं तो angle subtended at the center. तो ये लिखना. This is the second property. Third property, this is the center and this is AB. AB is diameter. One more name, longest chord, biggest chord, या longest chord. By this chord, if you draw the angle subtended by the chord AB and by the diameter, always 90 degree. Always 90 degree. जैसे इन सब में 90 degree नहीं है, या 45 degree या कोई भी fixed angle नहीं है. But here the angle is fixed 90 degree. And at any point on the circle, because above the circle, this is just divided into two parts, two equal parts, half. So at any point on the circumference, it will be 90 degree. कहीं से भी always 90. तो इसमें in short अगर लिखना हो तो क्या लिखेंगे? Angle subtended by the diameter. It's so इतना ही काफी sufficient. ये angle subtended by the diameter. Reason जो ये reason में लिखते हैं ना वो होता है. So first property, second property and third property. In your book, the first exercise based on these three properties. First exercise. But the second exercise based on the cyclic properties. And the cyclic one what is the meaning of the cyclic? Cyclic means cyclic we use in the term of the quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, है ना? उसमें use करते हैं. तो जैसे for example A B C D is cyclic, means this is the quadrilateral, and how will you say that this is the cyclic quadrilateral? कब कोई quadrilateral cyclic होता है? When all the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the circle, and touches the circle, it means the circle is type of circumcircle, means like this. मतलब ये इस तरह से होगा तब जाकर के ये एक cyclic quadrilateral होगा. Whether only this condition is possible, any other condition that for the cyclic, मतलब if you don't have the circle and you have to show the given quadrilateral is the cycle, मतलब if circle नहीं दिया, कहीं पे नहीं circle दिया है, only you have to show this is the cycle, then in that case what you will do? Sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of, this is the first and the last नहीं कह सकेंगे, first and main property, important property of the cyclic quadrilateral means the opposite angle. The sum of opposite angle must be equal to 180 degree. This is the property of the cyclic quadrilateral. मतलब कोई भी quadrilateral दिया गया हो, then whether it is in circle or not, that is doesn't matter. हमें अगर sum of opposite angle is equal to 180 degree, it means this is cyclic. Okay? For showing the cyclic, you have to show this. अगर कहीं भी cyclic show करना पड़े साइक्लिक कब नहीं शो करना पड़ता है? व्हेन यू डू नॉट मिस नो नीड टू शो इन विच केस, कब जरूरी नहीं, व्हेन यू हैव द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन द सर्कल, इनसाइड द सर्कल, जब कोई व्हेन एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल is inside the circle or that means you can say the circumcircle, मतलब कि ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल दो टाइप के होते हैं जो कि सर्कल में होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल in this quadrilateral and this quadrilateral, both are the different. This is not the circumcircle. ये circumcircle नहीं. Circumcircle means when the given polygon all the vertices touches the circle, in that case that circle is known as the circumcircle. तो इस समय ये साइक्लिक नहीं है. अगर तुमको साइक्लिक शो करना है तो अपोजिट एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री दिखाना ही होता है. बट इन दिस केस दिस इज ऑलरेडी साइक्लिक, नो नीड टू शो. इसको शो नहीं करना. द गिवन क्वांटिटी यू कैन से एंगल A प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 180 and angle B plus angle D. मतलब ये अगर इस तरह दिया गया है then you can say the angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. अब शो नहीं करना, but in this case you have to show. या अकेला है without circle then also you have to show. One more property of the cyclic quadrilateral, if you produce any side, किसी भी साइड को प्रोड्यूस करें आगे की, जैसे ये फॉर एग्जांपल this BC produced to this up to BE, then this angle, exterior angle, is equal to opposite interior angle. This is also the one property of the side quadrilateral. So first property is this and second property is this. Means by using these properties you can find the angle of the quadrilateral or whatever is asking in the question. तो these are the properties of the, तो ये second exercise में इतना है, मतलब कि this and the previous three properties वो सब आगे यूज होती है combined. Then one is the tangent property of the circle. Tangent property. Tangent properties of the circle. There are some properties. First one, if a circle and a tangent is this. Tangent means a line which touches the circle. अगर हम सर्कल ले रहे हैं तो सर्कल की बात करें, अदरवाइज कर्व which touches the circle at one point only. अब टच ही करेगा, कट तो करेगा, कट करेगा तो at 2 points वो हो जाएगा चाहे जो भी. तो when a line touches the circle at one point only, that line is known as the tangent. उसे tangent. And this is the contact point, that is P. Suppose this is the center of the circle. Then the property of the tangent, when we draw a line which passes through the center and join the tangent at the point of contact, then always will be 90. This is the property. अगर कोई लाइन जो सेंटर से पास हो रही है, सेंटर से, it is necessary, and touches the tangent at the point of contact. जब भी हम tangent की बात करते हैं तो वो जो पॉइंट होता है कॉन्टैक्ट पॉइंट की ही बात करता है. तो touches the tangent, then it will be perpendicular to the tangent. Converse of this theorem means when a line is perpendicular to the tangent, When a line is perpendicular to the tangent, then it always passes through the center. भाई सेंटर से जो लाइन आ रही है वो परपेंडिकुलर होगी, ये है तो कन्वर्स क्या हो जाएगा, जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन आ रही है दैट विल ऑलवेज पास थ्रू द सेंटर. तो ये सेंटर से ही पास होगी और कोई भी परपेंडिकुलर है. तो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी. एंड इन शॉर्ट व्हेन यू राइट द रीजन, द टेंजेंट प्रॉपर्टी, बस बाय यूजिंग बाय द टेंजेंट प्रॉपर्टी. हाँ, बाय द टेंजेंट प्रॉपर्टी काफी सफिशिएंट. तो टेंजेंट की ये मेन प्रॉपर्टी है जिसका हम यूज करते हैं. सेकेंड, when a tangent an exterior point is there, A, suppose, okay, from the one exterior point, इस exterior point से तुम्हें tangent खींचना है. How many tangents you can draw? At most 2, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं खींच सकते. मतलब 0 टेंजेंट, 1 टेंजेंट या 2 टेंजेंट. मतलब हम कोई टेंजेंट ना खींचे या एक खींचे या दो से अधिक नहीं खींच सकते. तो the tangents, 2 tangents, at most 2 tangents you can draw by this line, and this meet at point P and Q of the circle. That is it. Center is it. What is the property? Property is the lengths of both the tangents. Length of both the tangents are equal. Means AP is equal to AP. This is the property. अगर एक टेंजेंट की लेंथ तुम्हें मालूम है 10 सेंटीमीटर, तो दूसरे टेंजेंट की भी लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर है. And in short, you will write the tangents from the exterior point. The tangents from the exterior point, क्योंकि बाहर, और टेंजेंट क्या इंटीरियर पॉइंट से खींच सकता है? Is it possible? No. From the interior point you cannot draw any tangent, क्योंकि बाहर से ही खींचेगा टेंजेंट. तो this is the property. Then अब if 2 tangents are there, कभी-कभी होता है एक ही टेंजेंट होता है. एक पॉइंट से 1 टेंजेंट खींचा गया, that is the 1 tangent, that is at AB is the tangent, and 1 card, कोई कार्ड है ये, card P CD, CD is the card, and this card when produced backward या forward कभी भी produce किया जाए, and which meet the tangent at A. In this case, the length of tangent, square of the length of tangent, मतलब AP square is equal to AP square is equal to AP वो AC into AD. मतलब product of the cards, product of the segments of the card. जो कार्ड्स के सेगमेंट होंगे ना, जैसे A से कहाँ से इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स है, A to C and A to D. These are the square of the lengths of tangent is equal to product of the segments of the lengths of the card, AC into AD. And the last one, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम कहते हैं उसे कहते हैं ऑल्टरनेट सेगमेंट थ्योरम. ऑल्टरनेट सेगमेंट थ्योरम, इसको इन शॉर्ट यू कैन राइट AST, ऑल्टरनेट सेगमेंट थ्योरम. ठीक है, बाय AST अगर लिखोगे रीजन में शॉर्ट में तो वो इजी. व्हाट इज द थ्योरम? आप इसमें हम यही बनाते हैं. दिस इज द लास्ट वन. दिस इज द थ्योरम सर्कल हैविंग द सेंटर O and 1 tangent P. PT is the tangent. This is the tangent. From the point P, draw a chord. From the point of contact, draw a chord. This is the PQ is the chord. Okay, anyway, kahin bhi. And then this chord subtend an angle at the circumference of the circle. जैसे at R. Subtend an angle at R. This angle is theta. Okay. Then the angle theta is equal to the angle between chord and the tangent in opposite direction. Means in the alternate direction. इसीलिए इसको alternate segment theorem कहते हैं. मतलब कि ये थीटा यहाँ बना तो ये थीटा कहाँ बनेगा? The same angle you will get between tangent and the chord drawn the angle जो draw किया गया. तो this is called alternate segment theorem. R is a point. मतलब कोई भी पॉइंट है इस PQ कार्ड से हमने एक एंगल खींचा. That is the at point R. So this angle and this angle both are the same. So angle subtended by the chord PQ is equal to angle between chord PQ and the tangent in opposite direction. क्यों opposite direction बोल रहे हैं? Because ये भी तो है हमारा डायरेक्शन. ये भी तो PQ और tangent के बीच में है, लेकिन ये सेम डायरेक्शन है. तो सेम डायरेक्शन में नहीं है, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. अच्छा, इसी तरह अगर हम chord PQ से इधर भी एंगल खींच सकते हैं. सपोज हियर एट पॉइंट S है दिस एंगल. अगर ये एंगल जितना भी है x है तो अब ये x किसके इक्वल होगा? इस वाले डायरेक्शन ये एंगल x हो जाएगा इन अपोजिट. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड अल्टरनेट सेगमेंट थ्योरम. Okay, thank you. In next video I will tell you the questions based on these properties.